Very bulaga. Ayan, okay, Miles, direct lines, result, exactly. I will give you more para mag-habol ko ng ating welcoming flowers to our all access to artist family, Miles Ocampo, one of the newest part of the rockers. Hindi ko naman nabasa nyo na yan, na-check nyo naman na yan, napag-isapan nyo na yan. Ngayon natin mag-umpisa.
Parang kahit medyo tumanda na po tayo dito, I feel like ang dami ko pang pwede offer. I feel so hungry at the same time na nervous and excited kasi being in a new management, parang from the top ka ulit noon. And that excites me also kasi new beginning, new opportunities, and new people around you na who will motivate. And nandun yung may gigil ako ngayon to act talaga. Kaya sabi ko pag nagalik my direct, so umarte talaga. So, yun po yung mga you look forward to me.